puta, 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 puta.
Come to the boat.
Alright, y'all, it is Tuesday, June 10th, and we have hit Rome. Can't really see anything from this side, but if you look down here, they're getting things ready so that we get let out from here. And I'm assuming all of the buses are gonna, and carts and all that stuff are gonna be lined up here. Here we are, we made it all. Good morning.
Morning.
Good morning. OMG.
Giorno. Now we'll have about 1 hour and a half of drive, depending on the traffic. Don't know the situation entering the city, and usually we'll not stop.
I spotted you, I thought, well, that's oh wow. That is a wow.
All right, we're having some authentic za. You know that sausage, the beef. You ready? What a day. What a day indeed. Had some pizza. Went on a tour of Vatican. And now just walking the street like hookers.
Our last port.
I know. I know. I don't want to think about it. Oh my goodness, it's the last night. I'm so sad. I'm gonna miss everybody. Yeah.
It's time for a percolator. It's time for a percolator. It's time for a percolator. It's time for a percolator.
Fire alarm.
Yeah, you got it. Oh yeah, it is a little.
Test kitchen, it's made of apple wood chips. Let's start with scallop first. In front of you is a scallop with Asian pear, marinated in champagne and lime vinegar, complemented with pickled cucumber, suitable flowers, and finished with black garlic puree on top. So mix everything together.
Yes, you mix that. You put it in your mouth.
We have 3 types of zucchini on it.
All right, so it comes to a conclusion. We got all the cards. It's a separate event on the second level. So the Diva's here. Supposedly there's a separate drink, so we'll see. OMG, y'all, it's Thursday. We're back. We moved around. We're back where we started. Ah. It's my last swing. Now watch me bust my ass. Oh. Ow. Boo. 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 Ow. Time to go. Well, I guess we're headed to Amsterdam. What a journey. Oh my goodness. Made it to Amsterdam. Ooh. Submission, y'all. I hate luggage. I hate everything about it. We made it. It's Amsterdam. Oh, girl, there's a lot going on right now. Damn, that's like a whole fleet. Whoa. We made it. Ew, pigeons, gross. Love you. Hey, yes. There's so much to see. There's like so many things and shops and food and that's what I'm saying. God damn. We're living in the wrong place. Oh God. Well, thank you. Good morning. We're off to Efteling. It's the next day. It's time for church. Oh my gosh, guys, we made it. Iconic. Wow. All right, so we just dropped off our bags. It's giving kind of like an epic vibe, which is interesting. But we're in the hotel on site. So what we do is from here, we're gonna walk down a little path and it leads straight to the park. All right, so we're walking down the path and this is the park. So we're here. We're gonna start making our way in and hitting the areas here. It's like, yeah, we trust you. Come on in. This thing is tripping me out. Oh, the eyes move. Wow. The head's moving. Oh my God, what are we doing? Ooh. the worst decision of life. Oh, oh my god. Oh, this is the worst decision ever. I'm not even opening up my eyes. I'm gonna keep them closed the entire time. Keep going. Oh my gosh, we made it to the, wait a minute, Disney Castle. Love. I'm waiting for Mickey to pop out and be like, nothing can stop us now. All right, we've made it to the coasters. This is where it gets interesting. Oh my god. Oh, it stopped too? Oh no. Time for dinner. Yay! Time to stuff our faces. I'm so hungry. Alright, after a long day, we're finally coming in. 5:02. Ooh. Oh, it's nice and cool up in here. Oh, this is nice.
They got a mouse there in a hole.
Oh, that shit scared the shit out of me. I thought it was an actual mouse. Hell the fuck no. It's like a little game. Cute. Quick view. Back area. Okay, okay. And the bathroom. Cute.
That should say what?
Day 2 at the Lane Park.
Their action.
Oh my, what are we doing right now? That was traumatic.
That's the first time I've seen that. They were going.
You missed it. There were birds fighting.
Got caught in the crossfire.
The ducks were fighting. Like the girls were fighting.
It's like a jerk.
He is snoring up a storm. Oh my god, this looks like moving. Ooh. Oh my god. Whoa. Okay. Whoa. I think this is the best one I've ever been on.
Oh my.
You alright? You good? Alright, it is Sunday. I don't know how many times we packed and repacked and unpacked and repacked. I'm exhausted. No more. There's the plane. Here we go. The journey back. I'm not ready. I'm not ready. We back in Merkel. Back in the ghetto. The ghetto! Ew, the ghetto. A white trash. What? She hasn't seen us anymore.
Oh my goodness! Hey, Tati girl! Oh my goodness. Look at that face. Oh, I need you, Mom. I don't need you.